In today's video, I'll teach you how to find your computer's serial number on Windows 11. So first of all, what you have to do is go to settings, click on the start icon and click on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for system. Click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the system interface. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option about. Now over here you'll be able to find the information about your device. Look under the section for device specification. In Windows 11 you'll be able to find the option for serial number and you'll be able to see the serial number over here. But if you do not see it over here, what you can do is simply use a command prompt in order to see it. For that, what you have to do is open the command prompt. Make sure to open it as the administrator. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply type in this wmic space BIOS space get space serial number. Press enter. Now over here you'll be able to see the serial number. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you find your computer's serial number on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.